I've fucked every cunt with it.
The Slug Boys, yay!
This man is talking Finnish.
This guy's talking Finnish. Who the fuck actually, like, who learns Finnish, like, on purpose?
I don't know, mate. Finnish people. Well, the really next big purchase would be either a shop upgrade or a next license.
Well, I thought you were gonna say a shotgun.
You're gonna pay for that diesel, boy.
Did you have a nice shite? No, you, the fucking lassie that came out of the fucking bathroom next to me that can smell the shite, mate.
Sexual harassment.
Okay, well, it's not my it's right fucking there. The door's right fucking there. I can smell the shite coming through it.
No, my folks, yes, for that.
Topias, look directly at it for me.
Because I don't like
I'm going to need you to look at this boing.
No!
I've fucked every cunt with it. Oh no. Everybody's been turning down Mongo. Right, we need. Yeah, you work in a gas station, mate. You're the tub guy.
Alright, okay.
I like playing with my toys. I like playing with my toys.
Oh wait, what? 50? You're fucking joking.
I made him forget already.
I need to go for a pair of shoulder toe for me.
No, you don't.
Where was I going again?
No, take it. Right, well, go there, push. I'll take it.
Okay.
Oh, what the fuck am I doing here? Fart like a human. I need to fart like a human.
I was just...
Wait, you said that wrong?
What?
What?
What was that number again, mate?
I just love the idea. I just walk up to somebody, bang! It says save 50%, save 70, right? But we've actually put the price up above the market price.
No, I can't stand for this. I'm gonna need to tell the humans about this shit. No, you can't stop me! You can't stop me!
Go on.
Hi, I am the new guy. I am here to help you.
I might shit this cunt, I know.
Where is he?
This what I heard.
Hello, fellow human.
I'm human?
You are human.
And we are human too.
Where's our dad shite again?
Is that human shite?
Aye.
Aye.
Oh, you're at it, Lewis. You can clean the one out the back.
Walking up to your co-workers, mate, I've done a shite out the back. Can you get that?
Who's on gas station?
I can do that.
I can be on gas station.
You better watch back because they use both sides now. But... Aye, exactly.
Oh fuck! Wait, never mind. I'm going to cashier.
Aye.
Every time we sell something, like fucking 100 gets taken away.
What the
What the fuck is?
I just came flying in, man.
Diesel delivery.
Diesel delivery. Oh.
No money.
No money.
Yes.
Yeah.
We got a freighter and everything. Now, was that Doug being annoying you yet?
I've not noticed it until you fucking mentioned it.
But you can't vote. You need to take a video.
Is that you talking shit?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey guys, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
Wow.
I made that in like fucking 30 seconds. Woman, ichimajo, ichimamamamam.
Fucking hell, man. Wait, see how these
I thought you were going to... Fucking hell, man, shut Grab a gun.
I mean, are they coming right now?
Aye.
They are. Get the glasses off of them, I'll scan them. Go away!
I've got one there.
Right.
I got him.
Hold on. Come on, hurry up and fucking go away! Right, there we go.
Mate, I was fucking ready. Fucking not that kind
That cunt walked into it. He didn't even like fling at him. You're such a cock tease.
Huh?
What? We put that there for when we get.
What?
Why they like? You're not allowed back here, mate.
Indeed.
They're investigating. Oh, whoa!
Mate, the cunt just John Wick the two of you.